Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn here one of the important rule in chemistry, that is Huckel rule of aromaticity. So first of all we understand here what is meant by Huckel rule. So according to Huckel rule, any cyclic planar and fully conjugated system containing 4n plus 2 pi electron is said to be aromatic. So what is meant by Huckel rule? Any cyclic, planar and fully conjugated system contains 4n plus 2 pi electron is said to be aromatic. Means according to Huckel rule, the aromatic compound will be cyclic compound, planar compound or fully conjugated system. Fully conjugated system, what is meant by conjugated? Conjugated means the compound containing alternate double or single bond, or there should be the continuous resonance in this compound. So such a type of fully conjugated system containing 4n plus 2 pi electron. So what is n here? N means integer. N means integer. Means its value may be 0, 1, 2, 3 or in this way. Suppose we add here, in this formula we add here 0, 4n plus 2 pi electron. Means suppose we take here n as a 0, then what will be 4 into n? 4 into n means 0 plus 2 pi electron. So 4 into 0 means 0 plus 2 pi electron means it is 2 pi electron. Means the compound is cyclic, planar or fully conjugated system containing 2 pi electron is also aromatic. Suppose we take here n as a 1. Suppose we take n as a 1, then 4n plus 2 pi electron means 4 into n as a 1 plus 2 pi electron. So 4 into 1 means 4 plus 2 pi electron means here 4 plus 2 means 6 pi electron. So those compound will be cyclic, planar and conjugated and consist of 6 pi electron is also aromatic. Means here we use n as a 0, n as a 1, n as a 0, n as a 1. Suppose we take n as a 2, then 4 into 2 plus 2 pi electron means 4 into 2 8 plus 2 pi electron means 8 plus 2 10 pi electron. Means those compound containing 10 pi electron is also aromatic. And suppose in this way we can put the values of suppose n as a 3, then 4 into 3 plus 2 pi electron means 12 plus 2 pi electron means 14 pi electron. Means to be aromatic, the compound will be cyclic, planar or fully conjugated system and consist of 4n plus 2 pi electron. Means suppose we take n as a 0, then it consists of 2 pi electron, n as a 1 6 pi electron, n as a 2 10 pi electron, n as a 3 14 pi electron. Means those compounds are cyclic, planar and conjugated consist of 2 pi electron, 6 pi electron, 10 pi electrons or 14 pi electrons are said to be aromatic. So here we write when 2 pi electron is there, then n will be the 0. When 6 pi electron is there, then n will be 1. When 10 pi electron is there, then n will be 2. When 14 pi electron is there, then n will be 3. So in this way we can use these pi electrons to identify whether the compound will be aromatic or non-aromatic. Now we see some examples of this compound. Suppose we take here benzene, and we can check here whether the compound is aromatic or non-aromatic. So first of all, we must know Huckel rule. According to Huckel rule, any cyclic benzene ring is cyclic, means it is a cyclic, it is a planar, or benzene ring is fully conjugated. Conjugated means this electron can be resonated here. Okay, there is a alternate double and single bond is there. Alternate double, single, double, single, double, single bond is there, and there is a conjugation. So it is fully conjugated system. So these three conditions are satisfied by benzene. Now we check the fourth condition. Benzene consists of 4n plus 2 pi electron. Means suppose here we take n. What is the n? N means number of pi electrons. Here we know that here are 3 pi bonds. 3 pi bonds means 6 pi electrons. How 6 pi electrons? As we know that to form 1 pi bond, 2 electrons are needed. So here 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. So 6 pi electrons are there. Means n as a 1 according to in the previously we see here when n is equal to 1, then there will be the 6 pi electron. Means here value of n is 1 for 6 pi electron. That's why 4 into 1 means 4 plus 2 means 6 pi electron. So according to Huckel rule, benzene ring is aromatic. Now we take here example of naphthalene. Naphthalene is cyclic in nature, then it is planar molecule, then it is also fully conjugated system. Fully conjugated, how fully conjugated system? Consists of alternate double, single, double, single, double, single, double, single, double, and single bond. Means this alternate double and single bond indicating this is fully conjugated system, means it is a resonance. There will be the resonance in between the pi electrons. And fourth condition, 4n plus 2 pi electrons. 4n plus 2 pi electrons means when we see here, how many pi electrons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 pi electrons. Means for 10 pi electrons, n is equal to 2. For 10 pi electrons, n is equal to 2. Means here 4 into 2 plus 2 pi electron means 8 plus 2 pi electron means 10 pi electron. As we know that when n is equal to 2, there will be the 10 pi electron. So according to Huckel rule, naphthalene is also aromatic. Now we take here example of anthracene. Anthracene is also cyclic compound. It is also planar compound and fully conjugated system. How conjugated? See here, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, then double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. In this way, there is alternate double and single bond, and conjugation is also there. And fourth condition, whether it consists of 4n plus 2 pi electrons or not. So what is the n? N means here integer value. For how many pi electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 pi electrons. Here 14 pi electrons are there. For 14 pi electrons, value of n is 3. Means here we take n as a 3. 4 into 3 plus 2 pi electrons. 4 into 3, 12 plus 2 pi electron means 14 pi electron. Means this anthracene consists of 14 pi electron, so anthracene is also aromatic. Now we see here another example, that is cycloheptatrienyl cation. We also call it as a tropylium cation. So when we see this tropylium cation, then we can see here this is a cyclic compound, this is planar compound, this is also fully conjugated. How conjugated? See here we see double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, single bond. But here are the two single bonds, but there is a presence of positive charge here. So that's why conjugation is possible. That's why conjugation is possible means resonance is possible in between these pi electrons. So that's why it is a conjugated system. And when we see pi electrons here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pi electrons. So according to 4n plus 2 pi electron rule, here presence of 6 pi electrons. So according to Huckel rule, this molecule is also aromatic. Now we see here another example, cyclopentadienyl anion. Cyclopentadienyl anion. So when we see this cyclopentadienyl anion, it is cyclic, planar, and also conjugated, and also fully conjugated. How conjugated? See here double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, single bond is there. Two single bonds are there, but here is a presence of negative charge, and this negative charge delocalize the electrons. This negative charge delocalize the electrons here in this way. Okay, these pi electrons are delocalized. Pi electrons are delocalized. When we see this rule 4n plus 2 pi electrons, then we can see here are the 1, 2, 3, 4 pi electrons. There are 4 pi electrons and one negative charge. 4 pi electrons plus one negative charge. So when one negative charge is there, so 4 pi electron plus one negative charge means 2 pi electrons. So that means 6 pi electrons. So this compound also consists of 6 pi electrons. That's why it is also the aromatic compound. Now we see here cyclopentadienyl radical. So when we see this is cyclic, planar, but here conjugation we cannot see here. There is no conjugation. And when we see here, important, how many pi electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4, and here is a radical. Here is a radical. Radical means single electron. Radical means single electron. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 electrons. 5 pi electrons are there. And according to Huckel rule, as we know that the compound should consist of 2 pi electrons, 6 pi electrons, 10 pi electrons, or 14 pi electrons. So that's why we call such a compound as an aromatic compound. But here are the 5 pi electrons. That's why this is a non-aromatic compound. This is a non-aromatic compound. Now we see here another example to understand the Huckel rule. First of all, we see here example of pyridine. So in the example of pyridine, pyridine is cyclic, planar, and fully conjugated system. How conjugated? See here, here is a lone pair is present on the pyridine, but this lone pair does not take part in a conjugation because here already 6 pi electrons is present in the pyridine ring, and these 6 pi electrons are already conjugated. That's why there is no need of this lone pair. So the lone pair is donated to the another compound. So here 6 pi electron is present, and that's why this molecule is also aromatic. Now we see here pyrrole. When we see this pyrrole, pyrrole is cyclic, planar, and conjugated also. Conjugated also. How conjugated? See here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pi electrons and one lone pair. 4 pi electrons plus one lone pair. Here lone pair is present, but lone pair is not take part in a conjugation because there is no need of lone pair for the conjugation. But here there is a need of lone pair for the conjugation because here is a two single bonds are there. Two single bonds are there. That's why these lone pair are used in the conjugation. So that's why this is a conjugated system. 4 pi electrons plus one lone pair. 4 pi electrons plus one lone pair means 2 pi electrons. So that's why this molecule also consists of 6 pi electron. That's why it is aromatic. Now we take here furan. Furan is cyclic, planar, and conjugated also. How conjugated? See here. Here also two single electrons are there. Sorry, single bonds are there, and these lone pair are involved in a conjugation. Means here how many pi electrons? 4 pi electrons plus one lone pair. 4 pi electrons plus one lone pair involved in a conjugation. Means 4 pi electron plus one lone pair means 2 pi electron. That means 6 pi electron. So according to Huckel rule, these molecule also aromatic. Then thiopene is cyclic, planar, and conjugated also. How conjugated? Here, see here, 4 pi electrons are there and one lone pair is there. Here two single bonds are there, but lone pair is involved in a conjugation. Means here also similar condition, 4 pi electron plus one lone pair. Means 4 pi electron plus one lone pair means 2 pi electron. That means 6 pi electron. That's why all these compounds, those consist of 6 pi electrons, 6 pi electrons, 6 pi electrons, 6 pi electrons. Means all four compounds are aromatic in nature. So in this way, any cyclic, planar or conjugated system consists of 4n plus 2 pi electron, means 2 pi electron, 6 pi electron, 10 pi electron, 14 pi electron are said to be aromatic according to Huckel rule. So this is about the Huckel rule. If this video helped you to understand the Huckel rule, then like, share and subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lessons. Thanks for watching. Thank you.